right hand, okay? Gonna go around in his left hip, but I have to open my chest. Okay, I want you guys to open your left arm, the arm that will be controlling the leg. Kind of like keep your arm right here on the body. Okay, the leg right here on the body. It's important that you guys look away.
顔の向き切り替えてください。
And I want to push his leg in between my legs.
相手の片足の自分の足の真ん中に。
It's important that in order to maximize the pressure, their hips.
Oh, amazing. Amazing energy over here, guys. There is a great atmosphere in the school. Something really great is happening in Tokushima, and that has to do with the amazing job, incredible hard work that Professor Ryo Minami is putting at Grace Barra Tokushima and his team. The results you can see on the mats. House absolutely packed. Guys, can you imagine? Saturday night, look at these mats. It was sold out. The seminar was sold out within a few days. So the next time I'll come and I will do a 2-day course for you guys. But I want to thank Professor Ryo Minami and the Gracie Barra Tokushima team. You guys are amazing. I'm truly excited to be here. We're going to train hard. We're going to have a good time. We're going to work out together. These are amazing days for the Jiu-Jitsu community in Tokushima, and I'm honored and blessed to be part of it all.